Guys, Triumph and Ricky Carmichael are back at it again. That's right, the longest hyped motorcycle release maybe ever. This new Triumph dirt bike and their whole move into the motocross and supercross industry. They've been talking about this bike for what? At least 2 years now, and we haven't even seen a single picture of a single component, not one piece of information. They come to events, they make statements, they do this and that, but they haven't shown us anything. Well, in a minute, I'm going to show you a video that Ricky Carmichael put on his IG today, and it makes it seem like we're going to see this in the next coming months, and I say about time. But he says that reveal is going to start with the first video tomorrow. Now, obviously, I'm interested to see what they've got worked up, but I kind of lost interest in Triumph when I found out they were requiring vaccinations for all of their employees.
Talk about the Triumph motorcycle. It's crazy how well we've contained it. It's been a well-kept secret. Seen all the rumors, heard all the rumors. It's time for me to show you how real this thing is. I can't wait for you to see it.